Hello friends, welcome to the DaVinci Resolve video editing tutorial. In this video, I will show you a super cool effect in DaVinci Resolve, putting video inside text. This effect adds an awesome cinematic look to your videos. And it is actually easier to do than you might think. I will walk you through each step, so by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create this effect on your own projects. So if you are ready to make your text stand out with some cool video magic, let's jump right in. First, add a basic title from the titles. Change the title text. Select any bold type font. Increase the font size. Add a video to the above video track. Adjust the duration of the video with the title. Select the video. Change the composite mode to multiply. That's how you can put video inside text. In place of basic title, you can use fusion titles. Fusion titles are like fancy titles that let you create cool animations for your text, like making it spin, slide in, fade out, or even look 3D. Adding fusion title is very simple. Remove the existing title and add a new fusion title. There are many fusion titles available. Try which one best suits your video. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, we would appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Let's continue our learning journey together.